Good evening, friends. So today we have completed foundation as well as basic course, foundation course for SIDDHIKSHA and for NAMASVITHA basic course. So both are siblings and they are studying in Bright Riders Academy School in Abu Dhabi, and they have just completed their foundation as well as basic class course. So over to SIDDHIKSHA for her experiences and what she feels about this course. Yes, SIDDHIKSHA.
I feel special that nobody knows how to do Vedic math in my school, but I know how to, and also I know how to do all these division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction easily, so it won't take too much time as normal mathematics.
So, did you enjoy this Miss Learning method? Miss, we have finished this course in 16 sessions. Did you enjoy all the sessions?
I enjoyed all the sessions.
So, can you remember any new thing, any new special thing you learned in this Vedic mathematics? Anything special? If you have to remember only one thing, what is the best thing?
The best thing is bar numbers and squaring.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Now,
over to NAMASVITHA.
Okay. Yes, NAMASVITHA. Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is NAMASVITHA. So I just want to share a quick note about this course. So this course has really helped me with doing my mathematics very quickly. Usually when we do mathematics, it takes a lot of time, but when you join in this Vedic mathematics, it takes you a very short time to complete all these few courses and also sums. And I also liked how the test paper was actually very tricky, and it was actually very easy also.
Okay, so do you recommend, will you recommend this course to your classmates and other friends or relatives?
Yes, of course, I will recommend this course because this course has really taken me through all the mathematics syllabus which is going to come in the future, where you can solve every question, whatever a teacher or a person gives to you in 20 seconds or so.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. And we really appreciate the whole input also. And I'll be strongly saying that both of these kids, they have done amazingly well, and we wish them good luck in their future. Thank you very much.